So I made it to Terminal B. The airline go Terminal B, the Bible. Telling you the grand opening. And I also got a gift basket. The TEX train to DFW Airport, January 10, 2009. The gift basket. I haven't opened it yet. Looks pretty cool. This is a very nice place. It is cold outside today, but it is nice. Very, very nice. Well, until the next train comes, I just miss it, so I will the orange line here to DFW, Terminal A, walk across. But this is new. This is a red line to DFW to Fort Worth. I'm gonna be taking. And this is a nice place too. I'm gonna look the same like Terminal A Airport, but this is a nice place to work with. Alright, we're just gonna wait till the next train come. Meantime, let's just see what we got here in the gift bags. See, I can open it real fast. Well, it's a handbag in there. They look pretty cool. Time to train. Get train. So that's good. Let's see what else they get us for the grand opening. Like it's a Visa card. It's a gift card. Starbucks. Wonder how much money I got. Don't know. Gotta check that out later. And then, oh, look at that. There come the train. And then the celebration. Well, speak of the devil, here comes the train. Make sure I won't lose it. I'm gonna walk to come in. Wow. So here comes the train. Right now. Here it comes. Very good, man. Beautiful. Very nice.
DFW Airport Terminal B Station. Esta es la estación de la Terminal B en el aeropuerto DFW.
And there goes some of the passenger right now. That way. So here's the new console. This is a very nice train. I'm sorry. This is a very nice train. DFW to Fort Worth. Alright, let's take a look inside.
You guys purposely riding the train? We're going to the airport.
Yeah, I'm supposed to. So we're gonna take a peek inside, see what we got. Hello. Wow, this is very nice. See, tonight they even got tables. Ooh, luggage. So we got Terminal A, our destination. Door of service. Out of service. fees and fell. This look like very nice. It's so nice. You got your tails and everything.
It's DFW.
Huh?
It's DFW.
Yeah.
Oh.
DFW.
It's free.
Sorry.
It's okay.
And then you got your switch point. This look very nice. Get just admiring the train. And you got your tails, so you can sit. Yep. Thank you. Look at these automatic doors. This is cool. So you press the button. This is nice. And now wait to hold pass. Hello.
Watch the step now,
This is very nice. So you can open it. You press the button and walk right through. Ooh. This is very nice. I like the light too. Very narrow, so maybe only one person to fit the light. Got table tail. Watch myself. And I noticed that too. I got a table. Oh, a table too. A USB cord charger. That's very nice to have. Comfortable seating. Table. It's like a plane and a train. Bike racks, like they said they would have.
Okay, gotcha.
And then we got the door right here again. Very nice, very nice. And we come to the close to the front of the cabin. And we got your red challenge.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry for that. It was very nice. This is a very nice train to have.
Locations. So if you go here,
So this is a new Concourse train. This opened today at DFW, 10 o'clock at 3 a.m. in the morning, but I can't do it in the daytime. This is very nice. Now they were missing, they were having a restroom. I probably passed by it. So I'm gonna see if I can find it. But it's very warm inside too. So let's see if I can find the restroom. The sound cry inside, you don't hear all the engine. Welcome to the Carshford train. It's January 10th, 2019. And it looked like they just closed the door. So this one says got restroom. So let's see. So this one is open. So this is how the restroom. Very nice bar. Nothing much, but it's very nice. Of course, no smoking inside the train, but it's very nice. And there's a lot of room. That's how we get. And the door open easily for anybody. Alright, let's sit down. Look like every place has got a USB port. So let's sit down. And then the table. I really like the table. It's like a moss and cup hole. It's very nice, very slick. Very nice, very slick. doesn't have a thing for your feet, but I know some of these got a headrest. This one got an armrest on this one too, right here. Some of them got it, some of them got it. Very easy. Alright, I think that's it for this video. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a very quiet train.